So I have this 4-channel DVR that supports two-way audio, and I cannot remember the password. So I'm going to show you how to use Hik-Partner Pro to reset its password. So one thing, I have it powered. I have the DVR here. So the first thing you'll do is come to the DVR, select this, come to the DVR, to the menu. Then, because I cannot remember the password, I'll click forgot password. QR code, use Hik-Partner Pro to authenticate user request. So that's the first step. Then I can export the file and send to support.africa@hikvision.com, or I generate the QR code and use this. So I'm going to use this QR code to reset using Hik-Partner Pro. So this is the generated QR code that I'm going to use. So stay tuned. So you're going to open Hik-Partner Pro. I'm assuming that you have it and it's already authenticated. Then when you open Hik-Partner Pro, we have so many tools that you can access on it, but I'll just go to my toolkit, select reset password, which is there as an option. When I select that, we have nearby, device scanning, LAN device, Hik-Partner Pro, or submit a case. So in this case, I'm going to submit a case and just wait for the reply. That means you need to be patient. So by submitting a case, you take a picture of the device label or the invoice that you used to purchase this device. Then the other part is scan the reset code, QR code. So first, let me scan the device label, and that's it. So I take a picture and save. Remember, we must verify that you have the device and you own it before you can reset it. So that is one way that we can do. And then the next part, scan the QR code. So it will pick, and then you accept the risk. Then next, click confirm. So just wait for it to load. Of course, it will take some time because you're uploading images to our cloud, and that cloud will verify this and automatically submit. So once the case is submitted, you can click view and then see. Nice. So you can see the case is processing. So refresh that and you get the reply with a reset code. So this reset code will help you now do what? To go to the next step, which is back to the device to scan and reset. So copy the code FC2BD6AF. Of course, it will vary based on your device. Then now back to Hik-Partner Pro. This is how it would look like. Remember, Hik-Partner Pro is your tool. So I've saved my image, but I'll now go back to the screen. It will ask me for the input. So I will manually input the code that I got from the app, from Hik-Partner Pro. So after entering the code, just be patient as we enter the code. Nice. After entering the code, we click OK, which is on the far right, and then it will prompt me to create a new password. So you see, I've already reset the password and I'm creating a new password. So I'll use ABC at 2025 in this case, just for the purpose of reference, so not necessarily a future password. I will also reset this after. So again, confirm the password. Remember, password security is actually crucial. Then you can add a hint or leave it so the password is reset. So that's how you easily reset your password on Hik-Partner Pro. Now I can log in using that password. So I've configured the password. I can set my security questions so that the next time I forget, I can just answer them and reset. In this case, let's just key in the new password. Yes, now I'll set a pattern so that in future I can easily unlock my DVR. Nice. Then okay, and that's it. That's quick reset of Hikvision password. Stay tuned for more.